I'm gonna finish this guy off a day here, bro. Under pressure, I was on the whiskey last night, mate, so fucking down. I'm gonna give McCoy an hour sanding, and the plans today is to sort all this out, all of it. I'll take it out, cut it all into whatever sizes I need. Should be all good. All good, bro. Under fucking pressure, man. So gotta chat with you later, bro. That's McCoy I was working on there, guys, remember? Start of summer. That's my first chainsaw carving. See all the spalting in it. Just started to detail that a wee bit with a die grinder. Wee bit in the head. See the back end of it. You see all the spalting. It's a cracker. And as I was just working on that wave there, and the fish is coming out from behind the wave, you can see the fin. Need to undercut that wave in. That's a wave splashing up over the back, sort of. That's a good job, guys. I'm going to be working on that again soon here. Right, guys, I done this one with a chainsaw too. That was my very first chainsaw carving, and then the only other one I done is that big koi. That was my first one. And I detailed that with a Kutzall 1/8. What I'm going to do now, I want to stain that face up with a dark Jacobean Danish oil and then sand up all the highlights. Maybe stain the outside of it, but I want to try and keep it just not natural. Here we go. Okay, guys. Got this big log away last year there. That's what I cut that whack off and done that boy in it. I think it's meant to be white oak. I started the second face down there, still to finish that off. Just a wee piece for myself to keep. Maybe going to make a wee tabletop on the top of it, make it into like a wee coffee table. And I don't know what to do on this wee side arm yet, but it's pretty good too. You can see it's really weathered up now. It's been sitting outside for years. It's all good, guys. So we'll finish this one off soon too. Be a lot easier now I've got the big die grinder and the Kutzall shaping dish. all that was done with a Kutzall 1/8. First time I got my Kutzall, that's what I done. Near made the thing blunt, cutting that wood. So it's all good. Right guys, this bit, this bit was originally attached to this tree. You can see the colours changed there because I stained it with linseed oil. But it's the same wood. And that there bit of that tree, I turned into this. It was all sushi bond and all that. Susie shit her pants stuff. See the wee details in the hand, put the beard over it. Wee hand up there. Sign your pieces, people. So that wee piece that came off that branch. It's all good. Not sure if I shared that before, maybe I did when it was just done, but okay guys, there we go. That's an alright piece I have there. So there we go guys, that's a wee look at some of the stuff I have coming up over the next couple of weeks here. I'm a bit out of breath, so I've been working away out the back. Gonna go and get a wee cup of tea here. I hope you're all keeping good. A whole lot of these guys been giving me plenty of comments and all, and just want to say really appreciate it and thanks very much. Hope you're all keeping well. Be interesting to see what we're going to get done here with this 4000. That's how weather changes a bit more. I can get out the back now, get the Kutzall on the die grinder and a wee chainsaw out. We'll see what we can get done. So all good guys. Next thing on the list is I have to sort all this out. I'm going to take it outside, put it on the wee jaw horse jobby. Get the chainsaw out and just cut them all into bits that I need, carvable sizes. It should be all good. So, hope you're all keeping well folks. Like I say, I will see you on the next episode. It's just what Rob says. Alright, alright, alright.